किन. In English, why. Why? Why are you late? तिमी ढिलो किन भयो? Why is she crying? उनी किन रुँदै छिन्? Why are they running? उनीहरू किन दौडिरहेका छन्? Why didn't you come to school yesterday? तिमी हिजो विद्यालय किन आएनौ? Why are you studying English? तिमी अंग्रेजी किन पढ्दैछौ? Why are you angry with me? तिमी मसँग किन रिसाएका छौ? Why are you so tired? तिमी यति किन थाकेका छौ? Why are you sitting alone? तिमी एक्लै किन बसेका छौ?